Let's create a UI module to monitor our gripper. In iiQWorks.AppBuilder, in the KUKA file tree, right-click on HMI Easy Media and select Add File in order to import images for our module. Right-click on HMI Easy and select New Module. Name the module and open it in HMI Easy Editor by double-clicking on it. From the catalog, add images. Then give the path to our gripper images. The path is just the image's name since we added them to the media folder. Add 3 LEDs to monitor the gripper signals. Link them to the KRL variables we used previously, $in101, $in102 and $out100. Save the COP and export it. Update the COP and make sure to not re-import the I/O configuration. Deploy to the instance. Open the web UI. Now the HMI Easy module is here. If you have a iiQWorks.Sim Advanced license, then you can use the simulation mode VRC with no program selected, in order to observe that $in101 and $in102 are toggling when $out100 is forced to true or false. Here the action signal is set to false and the open state signal is true. Here the action signal is set to true and the closed state signal is true.
Thank you for watching. We hope you find this video tutorial helpful. Don't forget to follow the KUKA channel for more updates and more exciting content. If you're looking for hands-on training, visit the KUKA College to enhance your skills. See you in the next video.
Making automation easier.